As a lash artist, do you feel like your classic sets are kind of underwhelming and your clients don't have that wow factor when they open their eyes? Okay, let me give you guys some tips on what you can do to make your classic sets much better and fuller. The first thing, pick the right diameter. So I like to use 0.18s because they have a nice thicker look. Obviously, only if your client's lashes can handle it. Also, always use tape. I always use tape to make sure that I'm lashing every single lash. So that really helps to give a really nice full effect. I even lash the anagen lashes, not when they're like less than 4 millimeters long, but anything above 5 millimeters, I'll put a really short, like 5 or 6 millimeter lash on it, like a 0.10 or a 0.12, because it really helps to give that nice overall full effect when the lashes grow out. And that's how you get that beautiful fullness in your set, is if you literally lash every single lash. The other thing that's important is your direction. If all your classic lashes have a really perfect straight direction, your sets are going to look nicer, fuller, and not as messy. So this is a set we did with 0.18s. Let me know what you think.